Product data management, or PDM, is a solution to a problem created once engineers started to create an incredible amount of files. Keeping track of different versions and the relationships to revisions spawned the need for additional PDM tools. In many cases, end users are simply looking to have an easy-to-use, almost transparent data management process, and that's exactly what you get with Fusion 360. Fusion 360 creates versions of your design each time you hit save. Think about the last time you had to revert a model back to a shape you had 3 or 4 saves ago. With Fusion 360, you simply navigate to the version tab and you're right back to where you want to be. And to think, all of this data is stored in the cloud and can be viewed from a web browser anywhere in the world. Here I can see the conversations and red lines why design decisions were made throughout the design process. Not only that, but we can control who has access to which files to ensure our intellectual property is always safe. With Fusion 360, nothing is ever lost. What used to take an IT request to recover something is now so transparent to the user. File management becomes a huge benefit rather than a burden. Now see all this in more detail in the next coming videos.